Hi, and welcome to EdBhumi's YouTube channel, Ground for Education. Today, we are going to understand how to use Unpaywall's Chrome extension to unlock articles for any scholarly or researcher endeavor that you are currently pursuing. To understand how this extension works and how we can unlock locked articles with this extension, first going to go to Google Scholar. Now, how to access Google Scholar? You can either go and plug in this link straight up into your HTTPS bar, or you can search for Google Scholar on the Google search engine. Now, let's look for an article that has been locked and we cannot access it. So the topic that I'm going for is social listening, which is a part of what we call as a marketing strategy. People who have a marketing background would understand this. And then I would go for a keyword which is, let's say, netographic or netnographic. Then we look for articles. Now what the Google Scholar does is it brings up a lot of articles for you. I'm going to open up this article, which is a netnographic sensibility, developing the netnographic social listening boundaries. Open this article, and as you can see, the website for Taylor and Francis Online opens up. Here's the article for you. So this is how a general page looks like whenever you are opening up articles. No matter the differences in journals and websites and search engines, a general view would be it would look like this. So we have the journal name here, we have the volume, we have the issue number and the year that this was published. Usually have an abstract here. Along with the abstract, we have the DOI, we have the authors. So a very basic intro and very all the necessary details that are required for you. If I look at this article, I think, okay, I'm going to do a research and I want to read the full text of this article. What do I do? If you look here, there is no option that is available here. So you see the option of reading, which is called as read this article. When you click on read this article, what it is going to do is bring you to this menu again, which is you have to purchase either a subscription membership or you can purchase individual articles. Now, how do we access this? That is what we're going to discuss further. So to unlock all of these articles ethically and hundreds of other articles that are available, we are going to use this extension called as unpaywall.org. Now, if you want to know in detail about what is unpaywall.org, we have already uploaded a video on edbhumi.com's YouTube channel where we have discussed 5 alternatives to Sci-Hub. You can go to the video, we'll have a link of that video in the description, and you can read about Unpaywall in detail. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to go to unpaywall.org and this web page is going to open up. We're going to click on get the extension where it gives you the details of what really the extension is. You also have your get started instructions and integrations as well. Read research papers for free. So what happens is whenever you open articles like this, which are not available but can be accessed through Unpaywall, a green lock icon would appear on the right hand side, which would signify that you can read this article for free and ethically and legally. So we're going to click this add to Chrome, it's free button, and Google Chrome's web store opens, which is the extension web store specifically made for Google Chrome. You're gonna press add to Chrome, add the extension. It will take a couple of seconds and voila, it has been added. Now you get a welcome to Unpaywall page, which again tells you the details of the green lock and how this thing works, and they try it now. Again, to have a detailed insight into what this tool is and what is the power of this tool and how you can really use it, you can go to the dedicated video on EdBhumi's YouTube channel. Now we'll head back to the article that we were trying to open, which was a netnographic sensibility. We're going to refresh this page. And what you can see here is now on the right hand side, a lock icon pops up. All we have to do is go ahead, click this icon, and another window will open up, which will give you access to the entire article. So if you look here, we have 39 pages. The full text is now easily available to us at our disposal. I'm going to look at a couple of other examples for you so that the usage of this extension becomes easy. Looking at the other article, which is using Facebook as a digital tool for developing trust. What difference do we see here? The article is again available on Taylor and Francis Online, just like the previous example that we had discussed about. But the difference is when we look at the lock icon, it has been grayed out, it is not green. When we click at it, a pop-up comes up, which is Unpaywall. The Unpaywall extension couldn't find any legal open access version of this article. So what we have to understand is Unpaywall has two sides. The green icon shows the articles that are easily available to you. through ethical reasons and ethical means. What you have to understand is that all of the articles that you come along will not be you'll not be able to access them through Unpaywall. Looking on another example, which is evolving ethnography, again through Taylor and Francis online, what we see that again a green icon pops up. When we click on it, we have the full access and we have the full text to this particular article. So this is how you use Unpaywall's extension to access articles legally and quickly. We're going to discuss such more alternatives to Sci-Hub and extensions in some upcoming videos on EdBhoomy's YouTube channel. To stay in the loop, subscribe and press the bell icon. I'll see you around.